Today I'm going to show you how to change the screen sleep and screen lock timeout settings on Android 17 phones. First, to change screen sleep, go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Display and Touch. Next, tap on Screen Timeout. Select how long you want your phone to stay active before the screen turns off. I'll choose 2 minutes here. Unlock your phone to confirm this action if prompted. Now scroll to the bottom of the screen. Here you can also enable screen attention. This feature keeps your screen on if you're looking at it. Now to change the screen lock timeout, go back to Settings. Tap on Security and Privacy. Next, tap on Device Unlock. Tap on Screen Lock. Unlock your phone again if prompted. Now tap on Lock After Screen Timeout. Select how long you want your phone to wait before locking after the screen times out. Let's say 1 minute. All done. This means that my phone's screen will time out after 2 minutes of inactivity, then wait for another 1 minute before it locks. And that's it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video.